Our client just closed on a home, all because of my cat, who my neighbor adopted.
So because of their relationship, thanks to the cat, they found a house that they were really interested in and didn't know where to start. Called us up on a Friday, got them pre-approved with our lender, did a buyer's consult, did comps, had them in contract on Monday after just connecting with it, starting the process on Friday, and they are gonna get to have the home of their dreams in the perfect location, and we are so excited for them.
Thank you, Lilikoi.